How's it how's it going, everyone? So in this video I am going to talk about how to get veiny hands and forearms. I'm going to give you guys a simple tip that will allow you guys to get your veins in your forearms, in your hands, basically all over your body, in your arms, to really start popping, so you can really see a big difference with that. So the main thing that you want to do, and it's something that people don't do, it used to be really good and now it's kind of got a bad rap, and that's simply doing cardio. Now what cardio does, and this is very important for increasing vascularity, is cardio increases blood flow to the different areas of your body. So you ever look at anyone that does cardio seriously? Like, I'm not talking about some bodybuilder, powerlifter in the gym that goes on the treadmill for like 20-30 minutes every couple of months or something like that. That's not someone that's doing cardio. You look at someone that's doing cardio daily, and I see these people. I know a couple of people that play soccer. So that's lots of cardio. So for like an hour or two, you're basically jogging or running the whole time. So their cardiovascular is absolutely amazing. One thing that I noticed on them when they're wearing short sleeve shirts, like a t-shirt like me, or wearing a muscle shirt, is they have veins absolutely everywhere in their arms. Like, their veins are popping. Their muscles aren't nearly as big as mine, but they do have a little bit of muscle on them. But their veins, oh my God, I am 100% jelly of their veinage. And I'm like, dude, what are you doing? Like, how are your veins popping so much? Like, I wasn't even scared to ask them. And they're like, dude, I just do cardio, like play a lot of soccer, a lot of running. Now, that is really important. Now, some people are gonna say, well, that's counterintuitive to what I wanna do. I wanna build muscle. You can still build muscle, but also get your veins popping by doing cardio. Cardio is by far the most important thing to do because it works your heart muscles and it gets your veins popping, your hands, your arms, your forearms. And that's something that I really noticed. And what I do is I look at people that actually have the results. I look at people that have the veins and I look to see what they're doing different from other people. And what they're doing is they're doing cardio, and they're doing it quite often. So you don't have to like run for 3 hours straight, but if you start incorporating a little bit of cardio into your day, like half an hour here, an hour there, and just see what it does, you're gonna notice your veins are popping. Even I used to do cardio for, I used to do cardio a little bit at a time for my 10 years, my 11 years of training. There were some times where I'd go 4 months in a row of doing cardio. I'd obviously lift weights too, but I'd be really into cardio. When I was into that cardio, I noticed that's when I really had my veins popping the most, is when I was into that cardio. So that's what I recommend to do, you guys. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999.